And don't you know? And there you go. Hey y'all, it's Simply Shaquila, the Southernville Bombshell, and I'm back, girl, with another haul. Y'all know I'm getting my home together, turning my house into a home, okay? So, we got another haul for y'all today. Today, I went to TJ MAXX. So, let's get into what we got here. Some house slippers. These are BCBG. Y'all know BCBG be all up and through TJ Maxx and Marshalls and things. So got these cute little house slippers. I just love this mauve pink color with the gold detail. And I've been saying I need me some house shoes. So I got these. Super cute. I saw these little hair ties. I was like, these are so cute. And they're like fall colors. So, yeah. Just a little cute 1-2 step. Oh, I got some hand soap for my bathroom. Never heard of this brand before. It smells good though. And I was just like, I need some hand soap. So I just got this. Y'all know, like I said in the last video, that my bathroom is tan right now, which I will be showing y'all that once I get all my stuff to redecorate, because I want to do black, gold, maybe a little bit of white. So I think I'm gonna just leave this in the container instead of putting it in my soap dispenser that I currently have, because it's not gonna be there for long. Some tongs. My kitchen is gonna have gold accent. So like my pot handles are gold. The forks that I'm gonna get are gold. So yeah, I was like, I want to keep in theme. A knife set that I already have is gold. So just staying on theme. Oh, and I'm definitely a tea girly. I don't drink coffee like that. I do every once in a while, but not a lot. I prefer tea, which I drink green tea every single day. And so I saw this. I was like, how cute is this? This is so cute. Right now I have a mug that says "Too glam to give a damn," and that's been my mug I've been drinking out of. But I was like, I want another mug. Oh, this says hand wash only. So, but this is so cute. Like, look at that, look at that. I'm gonna be sipping my tea, girl, right about this. And we got some candles, some sand and fog. This is tropical citrus. I have sand and fogs. Is it strawberry mimosa? I think that's what it's called. And oh my God, I love that scent. I have it in a candle, and I have 2 bamboo stick diffusers with that scent. And oh my God, that scent smells so good. And this smells really good. Tropical citrus. I smell a lot of their fall candles, and them shits stink. Like, I don't know. I like select ones, but this does have like the little pumpkin thing. Pumpkin decor. Super cute. So this sand and fog is a 3-week. This one is called Spooky. It doesn't smell spooky. It kind of reminds me of the strawberry mimosa one. Yes. It smells so good. Let me go get that candle so y'all can see. So yeah, this scent, strawberry mimosa, I've been burning the hell out this candle because it smells so good. And this is the bamboo diffuser. Oh my God, I love this one. I was looking for more strawberry mimosa, but they didn't have, I didn't see it in TJ Maxx, but I got these from Nordstrom Rack. But anytime I see strawberry mimosa, I'm gonna get it because this smells so, it smells so good. Yes, it's like euphoric. This kind of smells similar to it. Not exact, but similar. But oh my God, I need this, another candle. It's euphoric. But yeah, those are my goodies that I got from TJ Maxx today. Stay tuned because the furniture is all ordered. So I will be getting it delivered within the next few weeks, and they're delivering it and putting it together, praise God, because yeah. So I still need to get some decor for my room, some curtains, curtain rods. Y'all already saw the bedroom set that I got. I'm still gonna get that one from At Home that I really want. So yeah, we're gonna get this place together room by room, and I'm excited to bring y'all along on the journey. Yes. So this was my blow up mattress. I'm tired. A queen size, and I got one that was pretty high up off the floor. It wasn't bad, but it's time for you to go bye-bye because my couch is getting delivered today. I mean, my couch, my bed set, period. Okay, so it's my room, all vacuumed and ready for the bedroom install. Now, I bought a king bed and I feel like it's about to take up that whole thing, that whole space right here. Why did I get a king? Because I felt like it. Was it maybe the best decision? Maybe not, but we're gonna make it work. So I have the king bed, one nightstand, and a dresser with the mirror. Now the mirror is not being installed today because it did not pass inspection, meaning that it must be broke or something. So they're gonna mail one to me and I'm gonna have to put that on the dresser when I get it. So other than that, we about to see how all of this furniture is about to fit up in here. I think it's gonna be very cozy. That's what I'm gonna say. Very cozy and quaint up in here, which I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at it at all. So yeah, just finished vacuuming my floor and I'm ready. So my mattresses, well, my mattress and box spring got delivered before my bed. I bought it from 2 separate companies, so they just left it in the living room. So yeah, I got me a king, y'all. This mattress is so comfortable. I'm gonna be laid out on this thing, baby. Period. So my bed got delivered and it does fit. My nightstand, the mirror didn't come because it was broken, so they have to send another one. And then my nightstand didn't come either, so they have to ship that. But this is a king size and it definitely fits. And I think this is a 10 by 11 room. I was so worried that it wasn't gonna fit. Now, if I didn't get the nightstand, I would have the bed more centered in the middle. But because I'm getting the nightstand, I wanted it close to the wall, obviously, so I can have room for the nightstand. And I do have room to like walk here. And then obviously I have room to pull out the drawers all the way through. So it's enough space. I'm happy. I'm glad I got a king because I really wanted a king. So yeah. Okay, so here is my comforter set and all the pillows that I bought put together. Now, I don't enjoy the black with this, so I'm definitely gonna get new sheets and new pillowcases for the pillowcases that I'm gonna sleep on because I just don't like the black. I have them hidden back here because it just doesn't flow right to me. I don't know. And maybe I'll change my mind later, but for now, definitely getting new sheets and love the pillows. I think I want to put them on here differently. I don't know, something about it is not giving what it's supposed to. I like the color combination together. Like, the colors work well together. I like that this has texture. This is a different texture with the little glitteries in there. That's another print. So I like that. The colors flow well. I actually really like the comforter. It just looks squeezed up or something. What y'all think? It look a little squeezed up. So I'm about to hit on Pinterest and see how other people have their pillows decorated, because something about this I just don't like. It looks squeezed up, bunched up. I don't know. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I love the comforter, love the pillows. Not a fan of the black sheets or the black pillowcases, so we're changing those out. Definitely about to go get me a curtain rod and some curtains. We need some curtains up in here. So I saw a few that I like, so I'm gonna go and get me some, maybe this weekend, maybe next weekend. But yeah, this is it, y'all. And I got me a good little wall space right here. From another angle, I love this bed. It's so cute. So curly, girly. I really wanted a canopy, but they don't have that Casimir, the Ashley Casimir King canopy bed. I wanted that so bad for years, but they don't have that anymore. I don't think they make it. I really wanted a canopy so I could live out my princess dreams, but I love this. I really do. When I saw it, I was like, yeah. It's giving. It's still girly, but it's like mature as well. Like, it's not too childish looking, but still give the girly vibes, the feminine vibes. So yeah, this is it, y'all. So my couch just got delivered and put together, and it fits very nicely. I was kind of concerned about how it was gonna fit, but I think it fits great. And I still have a lot of space to put a coffee table. Of course, I'm gonna put a rug down. It'll be, I probably won't be able to do the 4 bar stools like I wanted to. Maybe I could just do 2. I don't know, even 2 might be kind of crazy because this is like a walkway pretty much. Or you can walk around this way, the kitchen, so. But yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. And now I just gotta decorate and get me a TV, some pictures, some decorations, a coffee table, some curtains. And yeah, we're gonna get it together, but it came out very nicely. And this is the Cambry from Ashley. It's what she looking like so far. That pillow right there came from off of my bed. That's just temporary, possibly. But yeah, I like the orange for sure. The other color, not so certain. But yeah, the black is a no, so those are gonna go in my room. But yeah, so far, I like it.